step into the Kia 2021 K5LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 180 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and center console, full with covered storage. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.